The Azera was designed to upgrade your expectations when it comes to what type of driving experience a midsize sedan can offer. Delivering unrivaled performance, unparalleled interior space, exceptional safety, and state-of-the-art technology. From its HID xenon headlights to its integrated dual exhaust, you'll find that the attention to detail that went into designing the Azera is like no other vehicle. With its panoramic tilt and slide sunroof, the Azera offers a driving experience full of natural light and picturesque views. And with an incredibly responsive 3.3-liter, 293 horsepower V6 engine and an impressive EPA estimated 29 highway MPG, the Azera offers a smooth, powerful, and efficient way to get you wherever you want to go. Now, let's take a look inside. The Azera comes with a navigation system. Toyota Avalon and Nissan Maxima do not. The Azera also comes standard with front and rear heated seats and has more interior space than the Avalon or Maxima. The Azera was designed to offer you complete comfort. Oh, and don't forget that only the Azera comes with America's best 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Remember, nobody said a sedan had to be sedate. So schedule a test drive of your very own at Pinehurst Hyundai today.